Today, we will be learning about what Norris disease is, the correct pathway, and also the pathway that leads to Norris disease. So, what is Norris disease? Norris disease is a genetic disease that causes blindness, sometimes deafness, and also sometimes a decreased cognitive function. Now let's discuss the cell signaling pathway. First, let's discuss the correct pathway. A big factor in the cell signaling pathway comes from a gene called NDP. The gene NDP is responsible for making a protein known as Norrin. Norrin is our ligand or signaling molecule in the pathway. This triangle on your screen will represent Norrin. The pathway has two receptors. They are called FRZD4 and LRP5. The ligand moves and binds to both receptors. When the ligands bind to the receptors, this leads to WNT signaling or beta-catenin signaling. What is beta-catenin signaling? Beta-catenin is a protein and secondary signaling molecule. When the protein is activated, it moves towards the nucleus. Then the protein moves to the nucleus. Once it has entered into the nucleus, our gene is expressed. The expression of the gene allows you to see, hear, and have normal cognitive function. Now let's discuss what goes wrong and leads to Norris disease. The cell signaling pathway actually gets messed up from the very beginning. The gene NDP is mutated. This mutation leads to our ligand Norrin not being produced. Since there is no ligand present, there is nothing to bind to the receptors. Because of this, beta-catenin signaling is inactive and the protein gets phosphorylated. This causes blindness, deafness, and decreased cognitive ability. Thank you for watching.